So it's not a big problem, but if your ice maker stops working on your profile, GE, super easy to fix. So you just open the door, and then you open this door, and there's your ice maker. Then you kind of lift this up a bit, and you'll see like my ice is like all stuck together. So all you do is dump it out and start over again. I'm just gonna put it in the dog's bowl. See, it's like all kind of stuck together because I haven't been using it much. So I'm just dumping it out. It's empty and the dog gets ice water. Then you can just put it back in there. Oh yeah, make sure this is turned on. And then put it back in. And it can start over again. So in a couple hours, try it and it'll be fine. Okay, so it's been 1 hour and I want ice. So I pressed cubed. And I'll see if the ice comes out now. I'm pretty sure the only reason it wasn't coming out was because it was all stuck together. So here we go. Yay, it's working. Cool. It's only been an hour. Yahoo! My problem is I just didn't use my ice machine enough. It's on. Okay, this is 2 hours later. Let's check it out. Bring it in. Oh, put on ice. See if I get more ice.